Hey guys, Christmas is coming up fast, and if you're like me, you're already thinking, okay, what can I crochet that's actually quick, affordable, and still feels like a meaningful gift? Not something I just quickly crocheted and gave to somebody, because they can always tell. So instead of giving you a bunch of random patterns today, I'm going to do something totally different. Let me know in the comment section below if you like it, or if you just want a list of patterns. I'm going to be giving you gift ideas first, the actual concept of the gift, and then I'm going to show you how to find different types of patterns that you can choose from based on your style, your skill level, or the person that you're making it for. There are going to be 3 different categories I'm going to cover, so make sure that you watch to the very end so you don't miss anything. And if you find value in this video, please like, subscribe, and make sure that you share this video with someone you think could actually get value from it. Also, there's something brand new called a hype button right below this video. Please push the hype button. It means a lot. All right, the first gift we're gonna go over is the Spa Set gift basket. I've used this one multiple times and it is always a hit. This is great for people that you don't know very well, but you still wanna give them something. So like family members, teachers, coworkers, neighbors, because this gift is thoughtful, it's practical, and it doesn't take long to make the things that you put inside. You can mix and match, you don't have to make everything, but mix and match like face scrubbies, washcloth, soap sack, a headband, a loofah, a back scrubber, or even just a small crochet basket you can put everything in. Then just add a bath bomb, bubble bath, or a fancy bar of soap from the store, and boom, you've got an affordable luxury gift that anyone would be really excited to get. For pattern ideas, search for terms like crochet face scrubbies, crochet washcloths, crochet soap savers, crochet loofah patterns, crochet back scrubbies, and I'll link a few specific ones in the description too to help you out. Number 2 is the cozy winter set. You cannot go wrong with matching sets. In fact, a lot of charities love sets as well. The beanie scarf combo, the beanie cowl combo, the beanie fingerless glove, or do all 3, the beanie scarf mitten trio if you're feeling bold. These are great because all you have to do is pick a yarn that you already have and just make everything match. Use the same stitch for everything. A big tip for you though, use a color that is a soft neutral. It always works and it's super safe. Also, chunky yarn works up super fast, so if you want something to work up fast, use the chunky yarn. Search for terms like beginner crochet beanie, chunky crochet scarf, or even easy fingerless gloves. I'll link some options below for inspiration. The kitchen set is very popular. I hear a lot of people making the kitchen set these days. This is the perfect gift for anyone who loves cooking, or someone who just moved, or honestly anyone who uses a kitchen, which is basically everyone. So some ideas for this kitchen set. Again, you don't have to use all of them. You could if you want to. The dishcloth, the scrubby. Scrubby is a big one. When I was a vendor at Crochet Christmas Bazaars, I made scrubbies and they would always be the first to sell out. So scrubbies, hot pads, towel toppers, dish towel. You can pack it all up in a little basket, or you can roll everything up in the main dish towel that you made. You know, add a ribbon. It looks adorable. It looks super professional. If you want to go above and beyond, you can add some kitchen utensils like a large mixing spoon, a spatula, and a whisk. It levels up the gift and makes everything look polished and complete. Some search terms you can look for are crochet dishcloth pattern, crochet towel topper, and crochet pot holder patterns. I'm really excited about number 4. I think this is going to be a hit. Number 4 is cup cozy and gift card combo. If you need something quick, this is the one. I think I'm personally going to make a few of these myself. So it's just a simple cup cozy paired with a gift card to like a coffee shop or somewhere like a gift card. It's great for teachers, office gift, or even a last minute, oh my gosh, I forgot someone gift. Has that ever happened to you where someone showed up and you're like, I wasn't prepared? Well, now you can be prepared. So all it is a simple cup cozy. It can be holiday themed, classic textured cozy, or even just a simple wrap. And then the gift card can be to a local coffee shop, a bookstore, retail store, online store. You can even add a packet of hot chocolate or even buy the mug itself. It's easy, it's cute, and it's fast. Search for terms like crochet cup cozy patterns or even crochet gift card holders. There's a lot and they're super cute. Number 5 kind of surprised me, but I totally get it and I would love to actually make this myself. Number 5 is an ornament gift box. So if you're low on time or low on yarn, ornaments can save the day. Make a bunch of snowflakes, make some stars, make some angels, mini wreaths, the tiny little hat or tiny little mittens, little amigurumi ornaments. Make a whole set with scrap yarn, so stash buster. Awesome, gotta love that. And then just package it in a really pretty box. I think that's the big thing though. It's how you package it is gonna sell it the best. So make sure the box is really cute, that you put everything in. This is such a sweet gift for coworkers, neighbors, or even friends you don't know super well. Pair some candy canes in there and you've stolen the show. Search for terms like crochet ornament patterns or crochet Christmas ornaments. Number 6 is Amigurumi minis. So tiny stuffed animals. They're so much fun. So like little snowmen, gingerbread people, little animals, you name it, just anything miniature. They're so fun. They work up really quickly. They use up a little bit of yarn, and you can turn these into keychains or even ornaments if you want to, so they're versatile as well. You can search for terms like mini crochet amigurumi, low sew amigurumi, or beginner plushy crochet. You could also search for terms like crochet Christmas amigurumi. Number 7 is bookmarks. Oh my gosh, this is one of the easiest gifts on the list. Lacy ones, quick ones, adorable themed ones. There's even one of a mouse that got squished by the book. Have you seen this yet? I'll put a picture right here for you. It's really cute. And these bookmarks, they can work up in less than an hour, so fast, which is awesome. Pair the bookmark with a book that somebody asked for. Maybe even make the bookmark to match the book cover. Oh, such a win. Or pair the bookmark with a notebook that the person can use to write notes or reflections while reading. Turn the gift of a bookmark from forgettable to memorable. Search for terms like crochet bookmark pattern. There's a lot out there. Also small, super fun is a keychain. Number 8 is keychains and lip balm cozies. These are tiny, they're fast, and they're always useful. So think Christmas characters, animals, stars, hearts, food items like fruits and vegetables. I know, random, but totally popular. Lip balm holders. Plants are a big one, guys. Little succulents, like the tiny plants. If you have the opportunity, make a leaf, make a plant, add a keychain. People love them. They're great for kids, teenagers, teachers, and even stocking stuffers. Search for terms like crochet keychain patterns or even crochet Christmas keychains. Number 9 is tech sleeves. So the phone sleeve, the AirPod sleeve, Kindle sleeves, these are always appreciated. Use soft yarn, simple stitches, and a cute button. You know, it's all in the details, really. Bonus points if you make the sleeve in a theme the person connects with. Search for terms like crochet phone pouch, crochet AirPod case, or crochet Kindle sleeve. Number 10 is coasters, magnets, and mini decor. These are scrap busting and adorable. So you could make boho coasters, holiday coasters, cat butt coasters. Oh my gosh, these are a hit for anyone who's a cat lover, and you could make dog butt coasters for the dog lover of the family. They will just crack up and love it. Tiny magnets are super easy and super fast. You can literally just take any small crochet applique and add a magnet to the back of it. Small baskets or organizers for your desk or living space. Just search for terms like crochet coaster patterns or mini crochet home decor. Number 11 is the chunky blanket. We're in for the high impact gifts here, guys. The chunky blanket is gonna work up fast because the chunky yarn. It's gonna have that big impact wow factor because it's gonna be a big project. Beginners can absolutely do this. Simply fold the blanket as small as you can, wrap it with a ribbon, top it with a bow, and boom, high impact gift. People are gonna go crazy. So all you have to do is search for terms like beginner chunky crochet blanket or super bulky crochet throw. On that same wavelength, number 12 is Lapghan. Perfect size for gifting, perfect for older relatives, perfect for a couch throw. You can have a lot of fun with this too and personalize it to whomever you're gifting it to. Just search for terms like easy Lapghan crochet pattern. Number 13, beginner cardigan or sweater. If you want to make something that is really special, a simple cardigan in one color is a dream gift. There are a lot of options out there, guys, so remember to keep it simple. Think hexy cardigan or bulky rectangular cardigan. Again, neutral colors are going to be your best friend. They're super safe, especially for someone you don't know what their favorite colors are, what colors they like to wear. Just go neutral unless you know the person loves purple, pink, or turquoise. And again, this is not the gift to stash bust with. Make sure that you get yarn that is comfy cozy, right for the person that you're making the gift for, and perfect for a wearable. Search for terms like beginner crochet cardigan, rectangle cardigan pattern, a hexagon cardigan, hexagon crochet cardigan, or even just top-down crochet sweater. Number 14 is the tote bags. They're trendy, they're reusable, and they're practical. A crochet tote bag will always get used, and they're actually super popular right now. So you could even pair it with a little bag insert pouch that matches, and wow, talk about high impact gift right there. You know, making a set within itself. So cool. Search for terms like crochet tote bag patterns. There's gonna be a lot out there. Number 15 is decorative pillows or wall hangs. This is perfect for making someone's home feel cozy. Seasonal pillows, farmhouse style pillows, textured pillows, pillows with a word on it, or small wall hangs for holiday decor. decor. They're so much fun and they have potential to become holiday staples. Search for terms like crochet pillow cover, or crochet holiday pillow pattern, or crochet wall hang pattern, or even crochet holiday wall decor. All right guys, I hope this video helped spark some ideas and made your holiday gift making a whole lot easier. If you want all the links to the patterns that I mentioned in this video, they're going to be located down in the description below. You can also search for so many more patterns and video tutorials by taking the terms that I shared with you in each section and popping those terms into the search bar at Pinterest.com, Ravelry.com, Ribbler.com, Etsy.com, and of course YouTube.com. Not sponsored to any of these. These are just my go-to places to look for patterns. Guys, there are literally hundreds of ideas out there. I don't want to pigeonhole you into limiting your options. Go crazy, have fun, and pick the pattern that feels right to you, your skill level, and the person that you're making the gift for, because at the end of the day, it's really all about them, not you. And if you need help or you want to share what you're making this year, come join us over in my crochet club. It's the best crochet community ever, and we'd love to have you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that little bell so you don't miss future tutorials and gift idea videos. I hope you have the best day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.